Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you're signed in with an administrator account and that all Office apps are closed. Once done, export any custom templates and backup Outlook PSD or OSD files so data is safe. Make sure to note the Microsoft account or product key tied to the license. You'll need it if you reinstall. Next, open Settings, Apps Installed Apps to locate Office and prepare to remove programs. This speeds the automated and manual cleanup steps that follow. You should uninstall Office using Settings apps first, and then run the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant to catch staged or click-to-run components. Once that completes, manually delete leftover folders in C/program files, C/program files, x86, and both local and roaming app data. This removes add-ins and cached files. If components persist, export the registry and then remove Office-related keys under HKLM and HKCU. Careful here, because incorrect edits can break Windows. These actions clear after deleting files and registry keys. You must reboot, because Windows finalizes file locks during startup. Once rebooted, run sfc/scano and dism restore health to repair system files potentially affected by removal. Then inspect Services and Task Scheduler and disable any lingering Office-related tasks or update services. Finally, test by reinstalling Office or restoring your backed up data. If something fails, use System Restore to roll back. That single fallback often resolves unseen dependency or driver issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.